day one of the KZN Investment Conference, there has been a little bit of a debate on whether the 95 billion rand target will be reached, but it seems like it was surpassed. Can you please just share your thoughts on day two, the investors, and where to from now?
No, thank you. No, definitely. The target was 95 billion that we set for ourselves when we launched the conference in September this year. And then obviously we work with our investors in KZN. We know them very well. We create pipeline and so on. But we're equally surprised by the confidence that investors have in the KwaZulu-Natal province. We managed to secure 34 projects for the 2025 Investment Conference to the value of 100.1 billion rands. And that means a lot to us. It's not just a number, but it's really about creating an environment wherein people will have hope in KwaZulu-Natal. And this will then give us jobs to the value of about 65,000 jobs when in operation. And during construction, these projects will give about 260,000 jobs. So we're excited and we want to thank our private sector pledgers and public sector pledgers for their commitment to KwaZulu-Natal. So these are just not numbers, but it's just a real impact on the ground that is coming through.
You know, I liked the theme of this conference, which is basically just sustainability, inclusive growth, and inevitably connecting KZN to the rest of the world. How does this conference align with the overall G20 presidency?
So we are, as the province, preparing for the G20. As you know, we have chosen this particular theme very carefully because we wanted to align with the theme of solidarity, cohesion, and ensuring that we don't leave anyone behind. But also, it is very important to have projects that are sustainable. I mean, in today's economy, your projects must not have a bad footprint on the environment. Hence, the investments that we are attracting have got to be sustainable. Sustainable in terms of ensuring that they balance the economy as well as the environment. But also sustainable in as far as ensuring that it's not a stop and goes, projects that will be in today and then tomorrow they are not there. So we need to ensure that we nurture them, grow them and support them once they've commenced construction.
There has been a buzz of, businesses wanting to pass that criteria of being investment pledges for next year. What message can you share for them?
Now, look, whilst we've got all this criteria of having 100 million and above criteria or minimum, but we understand every investment is critical to us. Every investment creates jobs, whether it's 10 million, 20 million, 50 million. Now, today, there were 34 pledgers in this investment conference. You would imagine then if we then took the criteria down to 10 million, we would have over 100 pledgers coming through. So for us, even those that did not make a cut of 100 million, they are still important investors in our province. We'll still support them and we'll still ensure that they actually come up on ground. So it was really more about ensuring that we are now infusing small business that are coming up and the startups into the bigger businesses. Like today, the lowest amount was 100 million with the highest amount being 20 billion worth of investments.
Well, thank you very much, Adesa, for giving us the insights and breaking it down on what this really means for the region.
What it means is that KZN is open for business. It means that investor confidence is high in KZN. It means that government is really supporting the investors and government is leading in terms of creating enabling environment, creating infrastructure that will support these investments, but also ensuring that the investment is safe in terms of ensuring that people feel safe, whether they are tourists or whether they are constructing, but their construction projects, they get a start and completed on time because we have created a safe environment in the province of KwaZulu-Natal for investments.